The Central Board of Secondary Education, better known as the CBSE, has officially declared the results of the Class 12 Board Examinations 2025 today, that is on the 13th of May. This year's results reveal a slight improvement in the overall pass percentage as compared to the previous academic year, which is a positive indicator of academic consistency despite various challenges. A total of 17,04,367 students had registered for the CBSE Class 12 exams. Out of this, 16,92,794 students actually appeared and 14,96,307 successfully cleared the examinations. These numbers indicate a continued high level of participation and performance in one of India's most important school-level examinations. Among the top takeaways, female students have once again outperformed their male counterparts. Girls achieved a pass percentage of 91.64%, marginally up from 91.52% last year. Boys followed at 85.70%, which is an improvement from 85.12% last year. This marks a 5.94% gender gap, reaffirming a trend seen over several recent years. In an inspiring development, students identifying as transgenders recorded a 100% pass percentage in 2025, which is a massive leap from last year's 50%, a landmark moment for inclusivity and representation in the Indian education system. When it comes to school-wise performance, Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalayas stood out with the highest pass percentage of 99.29%. Close behind were the Kendriya Vidyalayas with 99.05% and the Central Tibetan Schools at 98.96%. Government-aided schools registered a strong 91.57%, while government schools followed closely with 90.48%. Even independent private schools maintained a respectable performance with a pass percentage of 87.94%. Let's now take a look at regional performances across India. Vijayawada emerged at the top, registering the highest pass percentage of 99.60%. It was followed by Trivandrum at 99.32% and Chennai at 97.39%. Other high-performing regions included Bengaluru with 95.95%, Delhi West at 95.37%, Delhi East with 95.06%. Regions like Chandigarh, Panchkula, Pune and Ajmer all crossed the 90% mark, reflecting consistent academic output. Meanwhile, the mid-performing regions such as Bhubaneswar, Guwahati, Dehradun, Patna and Bhopal recorded pass percentages ranging between 82% and 84%. At the lower end of the spectrum, Noida recorded 81.29% and Prayagraj registered the lowest among the regions with a pass percentage of 79.53%.